Using a Pay on Time service can be beneficial for managing finances. This service is essentially a line of credit that allows users to access up to $500 before their payday, with no mandatory fees, credit checks, or interest to use this service. Users can log in to their account and view the available balance. Then choose the amount they wish to access. The service is free, and the advanced money will be deposited into the user's account within 24 hours. For a $2 fee, the money can be accessed instantly. The available balance can range from $20 to $500, depending on factors such as direct deposit history. This service can be helpful for unexpected expenses or for treating oneself, and can be used for various purposes, such as paying for a night out, covering unexpected bills or car repairs, or making last-minute purchases. To access this service, users simply need to set up direct deposit and open the application, where they can view their available balance and click on the Get Money option to transfer the funds to their bank account.